Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Online Boss in the house. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you a secret tool and a secret strategy how you can get in projects fast, snipe projects, but then also how you're gonna find good projects to snipe. I'm gonna reveal all the information in this video. All right, so we just jump straight into it, guys. So, as you can see, $2,000 are made within seconds, absolutely seconds. I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So, I will tell you at the end of the video how I found this hype project and how I knew that it would have went to. Basically, how did I sort the top? Look, very simple. Proofs, you know, the proofs in the pudding. You can see it, right? I bought low, bought the bottom, sold the top. Skills, you know, this is skills. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys in this video how you can do the same. Okay, so first of all, you need to get this tool called Nova. I will leave a link in the bio. This is going to be your sniper bot, okay? Keep this sniper bot, right? Your sniper bot. It's free to use and the fees are pretty minimal, to be fair. Let's go through the fees that you need to put on. All right, cool. Let's look at the, okay, let's go to the fees, settings, fee. Just look at my fees and you can just copy my fees, okay? So copy my fees, but remember, if you want to get into a launch fast, you want to up the fees, but you can best to up the tip fee, okay? Tip fee is what matters the most. And to be honest with you, I could have got into this even faster if I put higher fees, right? I knew it would be a hype launch, but I knew it would be like a mil topper, so it wasn't a crazy 10 mil, 20 mil topper. So I thought the fees would have been all right, but I got in at 300k. Maybe I could have got in at 100 or 200k if I upped my fees. All right. So this is how we snipe projects. And sniping projects means, let me just show you what we mean by sniping projects. So when we're looking at bullx is a site where you can see all the new pairs. Absolutely great site. It's got a lot of new features, which I have done a video if you have a look at that on YouTube. But for instance, now you see a project go new creations, then it goes to about to graduate, meaning it's too late to get in so early, but you can snipe it as it goes to graduated. All right, so let's go back to the project that we was on, skinning. Right, so how you snipe it now, you would menu, you would go to start, we'll go to sniper, then go to new task, then you want to go to sniper, you want to put the token address in. I'm not going to put the token address in because I've already sniped it and I don't want to potentially maybe buy it again, which probably not, but if there's any glitch, I don't want to buy it again. All right, cool. So you'll put, no doubt, you just go through the motions, you click this button, and you just follow any instructions. All right, guys? So that is how you can snipe it, and like exactly what happened here, you can put how much you want to buy, and exactly what I did here, bought, and as soon as I knew, I felt it getting a bit toppy, I automatically sold, and if you can see, I more or less sold the top. Okay, so that is how to snipe using the best snipe bot out there. Nova is the fastest snipe bot, the most effective on the market. So that is a snipe bot. Now onto the juicy bit. How did I find out about this project? Why made me snipe this project, and what made me be so sure that I could feel comfortable sniping it? And how did I know the top was 1 mil? To be perfectly honest and transparent with you guys, is when you are in the market for so long, you have connections and you know certain developers that develop certain coins, and you kind of know from these past coins what it can run to. Okay, so I have a inner circle group. This is my inner circle group, and in my inner circle group, if you want to check this, I actually call this pre-launch, right? I even told everybody the strategy of this launch. And then let's have a look at this now. Now this is the craziest part. Look at the wins. So these are all my students that are in the inner circle, and this, from listening to my call and the strategy, look at their wins. This guy made, or girl, made $7,000 from this call. This guy made $6,000. This is the best one. This guy made $19,000 from my call and my strategy. His words: I am shaken. I joined not too long ago, and this is the second call you gave me, bro. You really changed my life with this one. I have actually having issues with my car breaking down. Now I can afford a new one. God bless. Wow. Absolutely amazing. We are changing lives out there. So, recap. Neo bullx is what you need to even find these tokens, okay? And Nova, what you need to snipe. I'll leave them links in the bio. And if you guys want to join my inner circle, remember, obviously it's not free. I take my time and effort to help you guys make money. Nothing's a financial advice. I'm just sharing what projects I'm getting into, and I have let's have a look, a very high success rate. Let's go through all the wins and the testimonies. Okay, shout out to Online Boss. I was able to forward a bunch of presents for my family. Got a 1K P&L there, 2K P&L, 1K P&L, 2K, 3K, $500, $600, $16,000. I can go on and on and on, guys. So if you want to get in the inner circle, like I said, obviously it's not free. I will leave my Instagram down below. I'm currently accepting a couple of students. I only accept a couple of students at a time. DM me on Instagram. Let me know you watched this video, and I will talk to you then. Till the next time. Peace.